In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable the offer to save passwords on your Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your browser and select the three-dotted icon up at the top right, and then go down and select Passwords and Autofill, and then select Password Manager. Then now you want to select Settings on the left side. There should be something that says Offer to Save Passwords. Go ahead and toggle that on or off depending on your preference, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.